tukola ensonga ez'enjawulo ziri ICT related, ekisooka internet, ebirala bya kamera, short courses eza ICT, oyagala kuyiga Excel bwe bityo, obaga oliwa business olinayo ka system koolabye eyo okego byagala tukakola kati leero njagala mbalage setup ya kamera ezennya kiki kyeweetaaga. Kyolina okuba ng'omanyi setup eri eyo erangingira wakati wa miliyoni emu ne miliyoni emu emitwalo 4 setup ya kamera nnya. Wano ku Summit Technologies Uganda ebintu byonna tulina amaaso kati nga olaba gano aga NVR, the NVR recorder, then ne tubeera n'amaaso agagenda ku DVR bwe gati, ne tubeera n'amaaso aga IP kati nga olaba lino, olaba ziri cameras eza solar. Kakati kiki kyetwetaaga okola connection ya DVR eya channel 4. Ekisooka tujja kwetaaga ekintu nga hard disk osobola okuteekamu 5 oba disk endala yonna. Tujja kwetaaga router, tutera kukozesa D-Link olw'ensonga nti nno zigenda mu network sim cards zonna. Then tujja kwetaaga extension 4-way, ewasooka oteekawo monitor, ewokubiri n'oteekawo DVR, ewokusatu n'oteekawo router, owokuna n'oteekawo ka power ka camera. Kakati tujja kwetaaga ka USB extension setup. Okay, let's have this. This is a VGA cable from DVR to the monitor. You need a monitor like this one. You will also need a camera power. We use different camera powers depending on the camera. The camera. These cameras use different voltages. So all this, we shall need a DVR. Let me see. We shall need a DVR. This is, I think, 4 channel. Yeah, that's 4 channel. Okay, we shall need that. We shall need eyes. We may need the. Okay, we get this. No. Yeah. So we shall need 4 of them. Get 4 of them. 4 of them. See, things concerning security are a little bit expensive. Something as small as this is 1.4. The other thing we may need is wire. We have two different types of wires we use in camera connection. We have what we call the coaxial cameras. DVR cameras taken 4 wires, the coaxial and then power. So we may need this, or we can use the Cat6 or what we call the internet wire. One of that can work. The other thing is typically that's it. We need the cameras. We have RGF, VGA. We have the DVR. We have the router. We have the disk and an extension. So we also need the USB wireless mouse. So we don't use these wired things. They are not reliable. So basically, this is 1.4, and you know in stock we have a lot of cameras. So you just come visit us, and we give you a service. We have both NVR and DVR.